Here are some examples of sound prolongations, a third type of stuttering. First, Christy will prolong the first vowel sound in the word sometimes.
And then sometimes I stumble over words.
Stumble over words.
And then sometimes I stumble over words.
Kids with ADHD or autism want to be independent. Try Goalie, the visual scheduler that guides them through routines so you don't have to. Goalie, reinventing routines.
Finally, let's see Justin prolong the E in the word we.
It was like we were driving through farm fields.